Vi ikke bare holde os til, at jeg filmer dig.
Okay, lad mig se en gang. Sådan der. Du skal jo holde den sådan den filmer, ikke?
Ja.
Skal du ikke sætte dig på?
Nej, jeg kan godt se dig.
Har du det der med bag?
Ja.
Okay. Hello everybody, it's me Winnie, and I want to say I'm fine, and the weather is what you see, no sun. And I'm out with my contact person because they don't allow me to go out alone. I got this in Frederiksberg Hospital. It's a talisman from a Japanese, she's a mixed nationality, but it was Japanese parts. And it's a talisman for prosper and wealth and so many other things I can't remember, but I want to share it with everybody. So this is mine to keep, but I will share the prosper and the wealth and the love with all of you. I don't know how long I have to stay in hospital. Tomorrow I have to go and look into my vagina, see is everything okay. And they took blood samples because I got something on my hands which we can't explain. And well, I'm feeling fine and everything is just okay. I'm happy. Er jeg glad? Because it's
Yeah.
so happy. And I love you all, and to my hon, don't forget me, okay? Ciao.